Hello and welcome back to the 2011 Beanstalk Raceway. Night number 7, race number 7. And I know I would be kidding myself if I said this was not a night I had been looking forward to for quite some time. And why? Because racing tonight we have from the regular Mighty Beans the 2009 tournament champion. That would be the Skeleton Pirate Bean. And he's going against, from the Star Wars, the 2010 tournament champion. You know him, you love him, none other than Yoda. These two will be going in the same format as all the other races. That would be best 4 out of 7. First bean to win 4 races wins the night's action and moves on in the tournament. Skeleton Pirate Bean has drawn position 1 in race 1. Let them go. Off they go. Skeleton Pirate Bean. Oh, Yoda tries to make a move, but instead boosts the Skeleton Pirate Bean way ahead, and Skeleton Pirate Bean is going to take full advantage and take a victory in the first race tonight. He will hold on to his position number 1. Yoda is down 1 race to none. Race number 2, off they go. Skeleton Pirate Bean, Yoda makes a move on the first turn. He's holding off the Skeleton Pirate Bean, and he's going to continue to hold him off for a victory and even things up at 1 race apiece. That means Yoda starts race 3 in position number 1. These two both look very good, ready to race tonight, and they are tied up at 1 race apiece, and off they go in race number 3. Yoda, Skeleton Pirate Bean makes a move on the first turn. Yoda trying to catch him pass. Last turn, Yoda cannot do it. A great effort. Does not catch the Skeleton Pirate Bean. The Skeleton Pirate Bean is going to hold Yoda off for a victory in race number 3 and move ahead 2 races to 1 over Yoda. Yoda stays in position number 2. Skeleton Pirate Bean position number 1. And this would be race number 4. Skeleton Pirate Bean up 2 races to 1. Off they go. Yoda tries to catch and pass, and he does catch and pass. Skeleton Pirate Bean trying to make a move. Cannot catch Yoda. Yoda is quick when he gets a lead. He usually will hold off his opponent, and he does right there. And he has tied it up at 2 races apiece. Boy, ladies and gentlemen, you can see why these two are our previous year's champions. 2 races apiece, going into race number 5. Yoda in position 1. Off they go. Yoda, Skeleton Pirate Bean makes a move and passes Yoda. Yoda gets it right back. But the Skeleton Pirate Bean, no, he cannot hold off Yoda. Yoda makes a great move, and he is going to move ahead 3 races to 2 over the Skeleton Pirate Bean. And the Skeleton Pirate Bean, you can see, he is not happy about that whatsoever. He, you can see, he doesn't have the greatest disposition, but Yoda is not one to mess with. Yoda is up 3 races to 2. If Yoda takes this, he takes the night's competition and moves on in the tournament. Off they go in race number 6. Yoda with the lead. A victory pulls it off him tonight, but the Skeleton Pirate Bean makes a big move. Yoda trying to catch a pass, and he does! Yoda, wow, what a champion. He does not want to give up his championship. He made a tremendous move on the final turn. Oh, the Skeleton Pirate Bean is ticked off. But Yoda has done it, won 4 races to 2, and that is a champion. That's the face of a champion, ladies and gentlemen. He's here for a reason, and you will see him again.